O, stop scrolling muna. Alam mo ba na yung pagkahilig mo sa stress eating, baka hindi lang basta gutom yan. Baka senyales na yan ng katawan mo na may kailangan kang ayusin. Dati, akala ko normal lang na laging pagod at lumalaki ang puson dahil nagkakaedad na. Pero, hindi pala. Hormones na pala. Relate ka ba? Corporate worker ka, juggling meetings, and chores, tapos feeling mo palagi kang bloated at sabog ang mood. Kahit subukan mo pang mag-diet, parang walang nagbabago sa pakiramdam mo. That's when I discovered Herbal Nation Barley. It's my ultimate daily wellness support. It's packed with nutrients na kailangan nating mga nasa corporate world. Since making this habit, hindi na ako laging bloated. And my energy levels, very stable na. Even my husband noticed na mas blooming ako ngayon. You don't have to suffer in silence, sis. Give your body the support it deserves. Message us to order.
Herbal Nation, I like ang pamilya.